So in this video, we'll be blanking off this hole here. We'll be 3D printing and designing some recessed 52mm gauge pods to go here. I'm going to be CNC machining some carbon fibre blanks to go here and here. Then flocking the whole lot in our anthracite signature colour. Stay tuned.
10 toes down on my ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing.
Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So yeah, as per intro, we've got a dashboard that's coming for a race car. It's already been prepped in regards to it's been trimmed for the roll cage on both sides. The customer said he no longer uses the side vents and just said, can I just blank them off or something? And I suggested using the CNC machine just to route out some nice discs of carbon fibre, and that'll fill the edges up, those side vents up nicely. Also, this is now redundant, so he wants this filling in and smoothing. And he said, don't fill in these two vents because he wants to put some gauges there. So I suggested that I designed some like recessed gauge pods with the gauge angled towards the driver, and it'll sit nice and flush. The idea is so they'll fit in here, angled towards the driver in that direction, nice and recessed and smoothed in. And he said, yeah, sounds pretty good. So that's going to be quite interesting to do. And then once that's all done, all that's all smooth, gonna get the whole lot flocked in our signature anthracite grey. So first thing to do is get on the PC and start doing some designing in the CAD software and see what we can come up with in regards to a gauge pod. So let's get on with it. Right, and just like that, we've got two 52mm recessed gauge mounts or bezels, whatever you want to call them. You can't really tell, but they have got like an angle on them, as well as being recessed. And these fit snug into the existing centre vent apparatures or holes. So the next job is to use some VM100 adhesive, and then seat these in position, make sure you've got the right orientation with them facing the driver. Use some extra resin around the edges, around the perimeter, so that once it's fully cured, I can then sand it and smooth it into the existing dash so you don't see where the dash finishes and the gauge pod starts. So let's get on with that. Right, it took a little bit longer than I bet it did in that video. But yeah, it's all sanded, looking very nice, smoothed in. So it's going to give that a bit of a clean up. Going to key the surface up. Then I'm going to get the dashboard smoothed in. Then we can get it ready to go into the booth and get it flocked. I'm really excited about this. I think it's going to look really good. So let's get on with that. Right, so that's it now, all finished. So I've CNC'd the carbon fibre blanks for the side vents, and these have just been hot glued in, so they're strong enoughly held in that they're not going to vibrate out, but should the customer want to remove for any reason, they can be removed. I've got the centre panel all mounted in place. Just put 2 gauges to give you an idea of what it looks like, but I really do think that little bit of an extra effort just sets it off. And it's also, with it being recessed and not sticking out or protruding, it's not obvious to anyone walking by that there's gauges there. It just still looks like a flocked standard dash. I've got the smoothed in boot button here, that's gone. So there's no evidence that was ever there. But yeah, I'll just switch the gauges on and give you an idea what it's like. So yeah, another vlog done. Hope you like the content. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Thanks for watching.